Hey guys, if you drive an older car or truck like this one, chances are the headlights look fine, but at nighttime, they're actually terrible. And it's not just annoying, this can honestly be a safety issue. Today, I'm fixing one of the most common problems older vehicles have, and honestly, this might be the easiest upgrade you do this year. If you own an older car or truck, chances are you've noticed that driving at night can suck. The headlights are dim, the beam pattern's not great, and most of the time you can't see more than 20 feet in front of you. Almost all older vehicles came with these halogen-style headlights that weren't very bright to begin with. And after years of oxidation and outdated bulb technology, the visibility just gets worse. You don't realize it until you drive something newer. For me, this truck gets driven at night, mostly from car shows and on back roads, so being able to see is pretty important. That's why the first upgrade I recommend on any older vehicle is to upgrade your headlights. It's not just about the looks, it's about being able to drive safely and confidently. However, the problem with most headlight upgrades is that they either get expensive fast, they require you to wire in new ballasts, or they just turn into a big project. And quite honestly, most people don't have time for that. They just want something that's simple and it works. And that's where these come in. A company called Auxbeam reached out to us and sent us a set of their Q40 series plug-and-play LED headlights. The reason I was interested in these is because they're a direct replacement for the factory halogen headlight bulbs, which means no wiring, no crazy modifications. Simply just take the old headlight bulbs out, put these new LED ones in, and you're good to go. These headlights are rated at 30,000 lumens. They're designed to keep the proper beam pattern. And the big thing here, you don't have to rewire anything. Just pull the old bulbs out and plug these in. This is the kind of upgrade most people actually want. Something that's affordable. These are less than $100, doesn't turn into a full weekend project, and makes a noticeable difference. Now, as always, I'll show you guys how easy these bulbs are to install. Then we'll turn the lights off in the shop here and we'll do a before and after test to see if these are actually worth it. Let's get these things put in the truck and see how big a difference they actually make. So one of the biggest reasons I went with these bulbs is because they are plug and play, which means no cutting the harnesses, no rewiring, and no extra modules that we have to try to mount somewhere inside the engine bay. It's as simple as pulling the old headlight bulbs out and swapping them out with these LED bulbs. If you've ever changed headlight bulbs, this is the same process. Basically just pop the hood, pull your old bulbs out, put these ones in, and you're done. The Auxbeam Q40s have the driver built into the bulb itself, so there's no external box that you have to try to zip tie somewhere. This keeps the install clean and makes it way easier, especially on those vehicles that have tight engine bays. Once you have the bulbs seated, you plug them into the factory connector, lock everything back in place, and that's it. And that's exactly the kind of upgrade that I like. Something that you can knock out in your garage in 20 minutes without it turning into a full weekend project. All right, this is where upgrades like this really matter, the night test. First, here's what the truck looked like before with the old halogen headlights. This is what I was dealing with anytime I drove the thing at night, along with most of you guys watching. Now, here's the after with the Auxbeam LEDs installed. The difference is honestly night and day. The beam pattern is cleaner, the light reaches further down the road, and I can actually see what's coming up ahead instead of guessing. It's not about being so bright that you blind oncoming traffic. It's about usable light where you actually need it. For an upgrade that took basically no time to install, this is one of those changes that you can feel immediately the first time you drive the truck at night. The reason I like this upgrade so much is because it makes sense for older vehicles. We're not talking about replacing housings, rewiring anything, or doing any crazy modifications. We're just simply taking the old halogen bulbs out and replacing them with these LED bulbs. The best part is the price point. You can pick these up for less than $100, which is a deal considering how much visibility and light you're actually gaining from these. And that's the real value. It's not just brighter lights, it's confidence. Being able to see the road and actually enjoy driving your vehicle at night. So whether you're fixing up an older car or truck, or it's just simply your daily driver, I put this modification towards the top of the list. Why? Because it's simple, it works, and it's not going to turn into a headache. I want to give a quick shout out to Auxbeam for sending these lights out so that we could try them on our truck here. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can also check out everything else that Auxbeam has to offer, like switch panels, LED rock lights, and all kinds of LED automotive lighting. If this video helped you out, please be sure to hit the like button. Drop a comment down below if you've upgraded your headlights, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more projects on our OBS Chevy here. I've got a lot more coming on this truck, so stay tuned. Now, as always, get out there and build something cool.